takes in sensory data, recognizes patterns, accesses memories, and generates outputs in the form of thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. In this framework, the mind is what the brain, the intricate dance of 86 billion neurons firing in complex sequences, is seen as a form of biological computation, different in its wet substrate, but not fundamentally different in its logical principles from the silicon chips inside your smartphone or a data center's vast server racks. This computational view is deeply rooted in the scientific materialism that has successfully explained so much of our world. It treats the brain as a physical system governed by the known laws of chemistry and electricity. There's no need for mysterious, non-physical forces or souls to explain the mind. Instead, consciousness is considered an emergent property, much like the intricate patterns of a flock of birds emerge from the simple rules followed by each individual bird. No single neuron is conscious, just as no single bird understands the concept of a murmuration. But when you put enough of them together, connected in just the right way, a new, higher-level phenomenon, conscious awareness, is believed to simply switch on. The core appeal of this perspective is its straightforward, mechanistic nature. It suggests that if we can fully map the brain's connectome, the complete wiring diagram of all its neural connections, and understand the rules of its signal processing, we can replicate it. Consciousness, in this model, is substrate independent. It doesn't matter if the logic gates are made of proteins and lipids or silicon and copper. As long as the computational architecture is the same, the resulting experience should be the same. This is the foundational belief that drives much of modern artificial intelligence research, that building a truly conscious machine is not a question of, but of our processing power and architectural understanding becomes sufficiently advanced. Therefore, the central task for a computational theory of consciousness is to identify which specific type of computation or information architecture gives rise to subjective experience. What is the special algorithm that our brain is running? The search for this consciousness code has led to several sophisticated and compelling theories. They don't seek new laws of physics. Instead, they look closely at the brain's known structure and function, attempting to pinpoint the precise data-handling trick that separates the lights-on awareness of a waking mind from the dark, silent processing of a computer running its background tasks. These theories provide the essential baseline against which any alternative like Penrose's gravity-based model must compete. One of the most prominent computational theories is the Global Neuronal Workspace, or GNW. So imagine your brain as a massive organization full of specialized departments. There's a visual department, an auditory department, a memory archive, a language center, and, a planning committee.